I have to be super extra careful with you.
Called me by the wrong name.
That's how much I hate you, I swear. I don't like you at all.
No. That's why you slept with me when you were drunk.
I didn't do that, okay? You're a rapist.
Nuh-uh. Look, it fell on the floor.
I didn't do anything.
It was your fault. All your fault. Ow.
I rock. I think I slept in it.
Right on your chest. Uberly awesome. Uber. Oh look. Oh dang it. There was like. Hey look, you got boobs.
And then shut up.
See, you got boobs too, huh?
It was a transplant.
Yeah, 'cause you just look that much like a girl.
Near?
I can't run away like this.
That's right.
Stay away, doggy. Doggy, go bye-bye.
Anyway, that's what I was saying. We must stir. Why are you so far away here?
'Cause I'm scared.
That's right, because I have a freaking gun.
And I got the death note.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Remember the last episode? See.
Anyway.
No, because I took the death note away from him.
Anyway.
See, remember? And that guy had that blood splooshing around. Whee!
We must have a moment of silence for that poor guy. Okay.
Okay, whatever.
Alright, so after you stir it up once, you turn on the water.
Oh, look!
And you fill it up.
There was swirlies in there. Make the swirlies. Bubbles, my bubbles.
You're crazy. Don't get it too close, you're gonna break my camera!
It's my camera. Bubbles, nice
okay.
bubbles. Look at the bubbles.
Then,
Ooh, foamy. It's foamy.
You put the top on, and you put it in the fridge to cool. So, for Rubicast, please enjoy the...
There's a little white fuzz thing in... Oh wait, that's like bubbles. Where the bubbles touch the camera.
Oh my god, no. Not my camera.
Bubbly camera.
Oh god, you suck, Near. Anyway.
See that finger? Thank you, camera. To the
Near.
camera.
Quit.
What?
Quit.
I'm fingering the camera, shut up.
Anyway.
Just like I did to you that night whenever we was all drunk.
For Rubicrew, please enjoy my tea. Thank you very much for watching. And would you quit?
Look.
Near! And, please note that I used only 2 cups of sugar instead of 3 or 4 as Near or Elle would have done. And...
You got boobs.
Near. Thank you.